So here we are when you first open up Instagram. This is the home page. Right now, we haven't followed anyone and we have no followers, so Instagram is filling up our home with this kind of information. Okay, right here, where it says your story, that's where you can upload a story. It's different from a normal post. Don't worry about that right now. I will be going into that in a different video. Right here, same thing. It's another way to access your stories. Right here, this little TV looking icon. Okay, that's a little loud. Wow. That is Instagram TV. That's a relatively new feature. It's actually pretty cool, and I'll be doing a separate video about that because that will take a whole training in and of itself. Right here, find friends to follow, yada, yada, yada. We already went through pretty much all of that in the first video. Okay, so right here, this little magnifying glass icon, that is called the Explore page. Now, the more you use Instagram, the more it's going to tailor this page to what you might be interested in. So for you, you can see that right there. It has no data for us right now, so it doesn't know what to show us. It's just gonna show us whatever it wants. But we can choose between architecture, travel, you get the point. But it's gonna show you the most popular content for each category. In the long run, you do want to try to get in this spot on Instagram because it can get your account a lot of exposure. The very center in the bottom, the plus icon, now that's where you're going to upload content. We'll get into that in another video. The heart button right here, this is where you're going to see all your notifications, all of your likes, comments, tags, you name it. So, and that right here, it says you. If you click following, you can see the activity from the people that you are following and see the pictures and comments that they're interacting with. Okay, now on the very bottom right, you can go to your profile. All this stuff we'll be going into in the next video on how to do exactly that. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.